It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon, August 21st, 2025. 4:04 p.m. at Porter Junction, Indiana. We just saw a westbound Norfolk Southern Railroad manifest freight with an interesting lead locomotive, an electromotive division, General Motors Corporation, LaGrange, Illinois plant. Locomotive where my career was based. It appears from the markings that it's been converted from DC traction motors to AC traction motors. And this railroad is the Norfolk Southern Railroad Chicago line, originally the main line of the New York Central Railroad between New York City and Chicago. The track in the distance is the CSX Transportation Grand Rapids subdivision going to Grand Rapids, Michigan in this direction. Originally the Pierre Marquette Railroad, then the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad, now CSX Transportation. The line going off to the left is the CSX Transportation Porter subdivision, originally the Michigan Central Railroad. Very few freights operate over it. A little bit about Porter, Indiana. Down there is the main street in the distance. The population of Porter is 5,210. It's 45 miles southwest of Chicago in this direction. Again, a beautiful Thursday afternoon, August 21st, 2025. Over and out.